Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. With the usage of the secret code, we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here we have to scroll to the top to find My Phone. And right here, scroll down to find phone information. Let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, we have to tap on them to show the exact number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.